So what are the things that are allowed during the state of fasting that will not negate your fasting? Swallowing saliva, tasting food but not excessive, tasting food not excessive, smelling perfume, and kissing between a husband and a wife, as long as there is no la haya'a fi din. This is what they taught us, that there is no sexual interaction, because the sexual interaction breaks the fast completely. But if there is the intimate relation without the sexual interaction, it is allowed. And the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, the reason they put kissing specifically, because it is being reported that the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, during Ramadan, he used to kiss his wives. I put this, and I really would love for everyone to memorize this, because these are the common questions, commonest questions we get. What does not negate the fast? Eye drops, under the tongue medication, vaginal cream or medications, vaginal exam, speculum, urinary catheter, dental work, mouth gargle, IV and IM medication, as long as they are not nutritionists. So it's not an IV fluid. It's not an IV fluid. If somebody takes an IV antibiotic, it does not break the fast. But if I'm putting IV fluid, because that's a nutrition, or I'm giving injection B12, that's a nutrition. Oxygen therapy. General anesthesia itself does not break the fast itself. But if they put, which is very unlikely that you will get a general anesthesia without having an IV fluid, then the fast is negated because of the IV fluid. Skin creams and ointment, cardiac cath, if you did not get IV fluid, endoscopy, biopsies, and unintentional vomiting. Unintentional vomiting. All these, your fast is fine. Then I will add to this anything, I will always say this to my patients, anything that is not necessary, try to not do it in Ramadan. But if I have to do it, alhamdulillah, as they say, al-babu wasi', the permission is wide. There's a lot of room. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. We can do that.